Hi guys, in today's videos I'm going to show you a quick and beautiful transformation from square nails into stilettos. So first I'm going to take the nail gel polish off, and then I'm going to prep my nails and shape them into gorgeous stilettos before I do my filling. So keep on watching and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to use my E-file drill to take off the sides and shape them into stilettos, as this is the quickest and easiest way to get all that bulk off instead of trying to file everything off by hand in a regular file. So once you take the bulk off with your E-file, now it's time to use your hand file and just shape them up to the shape that you are going to be happy with. Now that you shaped your nail to the shape that you want and desired, it's time to clean the cuticle area and finish prepping your nails for a filling. The end, I always use this e-bit to buff everything out and make it all nice and even, and it's the best one to actually get all that shininess off of your natural nail, and it's ready to be filled in. Now do this to all of your nails, and once all of your nails are reshaped and prepped, it's time to clean them off and dehydrate them, prep them, and now fill them in. The filling in part is my best and most pleasurable part of this whole process. So today I'm using the natural pink. I've done my nails before with the same one, so I'm just doing the filling with the same exact acrylic color. So once I do the bowl, I actually wait a couple seconds for it to start caramelizing. Once the shine starting going on the bowl, it's no longer runny and it's ready to be used. So for beginners, every time you make a bowl, just wait a couple seconds, maybe count to 5, and then try. If it's not working, count it again with a new bowl and see what the countdown would be best for you, as everybody makes it makes the bowls drier. Some people make it wetter. So just keep on practicing till you find your countdown. As you may see, mine is perfect. It's not runny, but every so often I do dip my nail brush into the liquid for just easier application. Okay, so I'm showing you two of my nails on a normal speed, how I do my fillings. It's very easy, very simple, very fast. The rest I'm going to speed up a little bit, but if you guys have any questions, please comment below, and I'm always more than happy to answer your comments. Now the acrylic is applied. We gotta make sure that it's nice and hard. So the best way I always do it, I take my nail file and I tap my nail with it. If you hear that tucking sound, that means it's nice and dry and it's ready to be filed and shaped. So right now I'm just shaping it, and then I'm gonna use my e-file to finalize the nail and to seal in my acrylic around my cuticles. Now that I'm done shaping and using my Rego file, I'm using my e-file to finalize the shape of the nail by cleaning it and making it all even and smooth, and then also sealing my cuticles with the acrylic so nothing lifts. Okay, clean the dust off and then buff. Buff, buff, and buff. Always buff your nails. It makes it nice and smooth and a beautiful application of your gel polish on top. If you don't buff your nails properly, your nail gel polish will not apply properly and you will be getting bumps. So right now I'm applying gel base coat. Once I'm done applying it, I'm curing it for 60 seconds. Once you finish curing the nail, do not take the stickiness off. Let it be sticky because this holographic powder that I'm using will not stick to your nail. So after you cure it, you apply the holographic powder. I buy it from Born Pretty, AliExpress. It comes in different colors. And once you finish applying it, dust it off, put on a top coat, cure it, and you are all done. The outcome is absolutely gorgeous. If you're doing winter nails, you can actually put a couple little snowflakes around. But I'm in love with this design. It's so simple, sexy. And the difference, the transformation is unbelievable. Thank you guys for watching.